For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, let's get straight into the video. Some investors might view both Palantir Technologies and Tesla as companies that could thrive under the influence of the president-elect's administration. These perceptions are rooted not only in their historical connections to the incoming leadership, but also in their respective business models, which align with the potential policy directions of a new term. To understand why these stocks are under scrutiny and how they might perform, let's dive into their historical performance, strategic positions, and the broader macroeconomic implications of this administration. Palantir Technologies, a leader in data analytics, has strong ties to the government. Co-founder Peter Thiel is not only an entrepreneur, but also a figure with significant political influence. His prior support for the president-elect and mentorship of Vice President-elect J.D. Vance highlight the depth of his political network. This connection, while indirect, may help Palantir maintain and possibly expand its foothold in federal contracts, especially with agencies that align closely with the administration's goals. The United States government is Palantir's largest client, accounting for a substantial portion of its revenue. The potential for expanded contracts under the new administration is high, particularly in areas such as immigration enforcement and national security. For example, during the president-elect's first term, Palantir secured lucrative contracts with the Immigrations and Customs Enforcement Agency. One of the president-elect's most ambitious promises is the deportation of millions of undocumented individuals. Achieving this goal requires extensive use of advanced technology, particularly in managing and analyzing vast amounts of data. Palantir's platforms, which excel in integrating and interpreting complex datasets, make it a natural partner for these initiatives. Such projects could be a game changer for Palantir, positioning it as an indispensable resource for federal agencies. Another area where Palantir could gain is in national defense. Even if overall defense spending remains flat, the focus might shift toward modernizing operations and improving efficiency. This shift would likely include a greater emphasis on artificial intelligence and machine learning, both of which are core competencies of Palantir. These technologies can revolutionize defense strategies by enabling predictive analysis, optimizing logistics, and enhancing cybersecurity. However, despite its strong prospects, Palantir faces challenges, particularly in its valuation. With the shares trading at nearly 143 times forward earnings, investors must weigh the potential for growth against the risk of overvaluation. On the other hand, Tesla, the leading innovator in electric vehicles, finds itself in a unique position under the incoming administration. While the president-elect's policies may not seem immediately favorable to Tesla, deeper analysis reveals both challenges and opportunities that could shape its performance. The president-elect's stance on tariffs could introduce complexities for Tesla. Tariffs on imported goods may increase production costs for manufacturers that rely on foreign components. However, Tesla's relatively low dependence on imported parts compared to the major US automakers provides a competitive edge. Additionally, higher tariffs could limit the presence of Chinese electric vehicle manufacturers in the US, reducing competition for Tesla and bolstering its market share domestically. Efforts to boost domestic oil production could lower fuel prices, potentially decreasing demand for electric vehicles. However, Tesla has demonstrated resilience in the face of such market dynamics. Its brand strength, coupled with innovations like the Cybertruck and Model Y, ensures it remains a top choice for consumers seeking electric vehicles. The potential elimination of electric vehicle tax credits might seem like a disadvantage for Tesla. However, it could impact its competitors more significantly, as Tesla's dominance in the EV market is largely driven by its technological superiority rather than price incentives. A reduced reliance on credits could ultimately widen Tesla's lead over other automakers. Perhaps the most promising area for Tesla lies in autonomous driving technology. Reports suggest that the administration is prioritizing a federal framework for regulating self-driving vehicles. This framework could provide the clarity Tesla needs to accelerate its robotaxi ambitions. By establishing a national policy, the administration could remove regulatory hurdles and pave the way for Tesla to dominate the autonomous vehicle market. Investor confidence in these companies is evident from their recent stock performance. Since the election, Palantir's stock has surged by over 250%, while Tesla's has climbed by more than 50%. These gains suggest that investors anticipate favorable conditions for both companies under the new administration. However, valuation remains a critical consideration. In comparison, Tesla's valuation, while still high at 98 times forward earnings, appears more justifiable given its established market leadership and diversified revenue stream. games. While both companies stand to gain under the incoming administration, their potential trajectories differ significantly. Palantir may benefit from increased federal contracts and a focus on data-driven solutions, but its high valuation poses a risk. Tesla, despite facing potential headwinds from tariffs and fuel price dynamics, is well positioned to leverage its strengths in manufacturing, branding, and autonomous driving technology. Ultimately, while Tesla might deliver greater returns during the president-elect's next term, there may be other opportunities in the market that offer even higher potential for growth. Investors should consider diversifying their portfolios to capture gains across a broader spectrum of sectors and industries. For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.